Okay, so I'm at the beach. It is so beautiful and so sunny. The only thing is that flies. Oh my gosh, there are so many freaking flies. I'm here with my best friend Jayla. She's over there. And here's the ocean. I'm gonna do a little pan around like that. These flies are like eating us up. Okay, so I'm gonna face me. I don't know how I look because my camera doesn't have a little thing that I can see myself, where I can see myself talk. What?
You put a camera with no viewfinder?
First of all, I bought this camera before I even know I wanted to start YouTube. Okay, so I don't have a camera like that, but I'm gonna invest in one. First, I gotta get my cake up, you know, save some money. You know, hopefully by starting my own YouTube channel, I can get some sponsors. You know, who wants to sponsor me? Okay, who wants to sponsor me? Okay, so we're back. So I actually wanted to show my feet because I went with a nice bright orange for the summer. Do not mind all of this in the back. This was our napping slash eating slash just hanging out area. This nice little tent. It's really gorgeous out here. So I'm at Point Pleasant Beach in Jersey because I'm a Jersey girl. But yeah, so I really like my feet. First of all, let me turn y'all around. Hopefully my camera focuses because apparently it does not do that.
Would you put a camera without autofocus too?
I have a camera.
Wow.
What money do I have? I've been broke all my life, okay? I'm glad that I have a camera, okay, besides my phone. But yeah, so anyway, I lost my train of thought. Thank you very much. But yeah, so besides getting eaten up by these flies, seriously, they're closing the beach right now. We've been here for like 2 hours and I'm just now vlogging. More like 3 hours. And we've been in the water. We've taken a nap. I went back to the car. And yeah, so we've done a lot, and I'm just now opening my camera because I suck at vlogging. That sounds about right. This water is so freaking cold, but look how pretty my feet are in the water. It is so cold. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Yes, but my feet are so pretty, and the ocean is so nice. And the birds are not playing, like they are right here in front of me. I'm hoping they don't shit on me. Like that's... My best friend has left the premises. She's like, I'm not doing this. Look, she's gone. She's like, this is not about to be me. They are all around us. And I'm just hoping they don't shit on me because I'm afraid that they are. And I'm low-key about to move as well.
Gotta go.
Look at them. I'm just like, one of them is totally gonna shit on me, and I hope it brings me good luck. See? Look at it. They are bold AF. But the thing is, they were not here earlier. So when we first came to the ocean, they were not here. So yeah, but let me give y'all a nice view. It's so pretty. And there are some people. It's so cold. It's definitely refreshing after sitting and getting eaten by the freaking flies. Okay, so we're on the boardwalk, and look at this. This is so cute. It says, come rest a while. And we are going to try to find, look at this house. We passed some pretty houses already. So we're just going to go and try to find something nice to drink. I got me a nice little drink with a bottle of water. So we just went to the fun house. Oh. And we're already getting lost. Wait, it's not. Look. So we're at the entrance and we can't even get back. Wait, here. Oh, no. It's like black. Oh. But I still look cute though. Ow. Oh, God. Is it this way?
It's that way, but it's staring at me.
Oh, great.
Oh, okay. Thank you. All right, y'all. Y'all are a witness. Okay, no. Yes. Okay. So I guess where I don't see my reflection, go.
The class is going to be at the first part.
Okay, y'all. So basically,
No,
the kids have told us. No, that's the mirror. Okay. We have to get there. Yes. We have to go. We can't go back that way. It's okay. It's not this way.
Listen, we got to get the kids to come stay with us. It's this one. Wait, hold on.
Is it?
No.
Where are we going? Kids, I'm so confused. We have to get. Yes, Dylan, we've been here already.
No.
So we stuck, and I don't know what to do. Dylan, we went the wrong way. Dylan, get out. We're stuck. This is not it. Okay, this is clearly not it.
Wait, this is not clear.
Okay, so okay,
I'm sorry. That's so today. It's not.
okay, I don't know what to do here.
Is that Cashin?
Oh, my charger.
I'm sorry.
Oh no, it's okay. No, it's gonna be stuck. I'm so cold. Can you make it? I think we made it the wrong way. Okay, so we have to go back. No! Oh! Yes, okay. Thanks to the kids. Oh gosh. We made it! Okay, so entrance. Okay, y'all. Okay. Come on.
I don't have something to do with the foul weather.
Oh, this. Wait, are you sure? Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, I'm asking the guy who works here. Is he sure? Okay, we're not gonna. Come back, mirrors. This way somehow. No, because yes. Oh, mirror. Hi, sexy. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is what I do.
Wait, kids, come back.
Oh, we made it.
What?
I guess we go here. Is there another way?
I don't think so. Okay.
Are you sure?
No.
I hear them far away. Finger? Hey, pull my finger. Okay, y'all. Oh gosh, okay. Oh, so you step on these and it makes, yeah, see?
Okay.
See? Hold on, let me step on it again. Yeah, real funny. Use in case of emergency. I told,
Wait, are we supposed to go this way?
we're not we went the wrong way. Yes.
This way.
I told you. Oh, yes. Wait, I heard kids screaming. Oh, yes. Oh, interesting. We're outside now. I was confused. I don't know.
Go back into the dark.
Okay, so we're back into the abyss. High voltage. Is there two places? Is there? This says high voltage, and then there's something over here. I'm confused. Are we going to the high voltage?
I see stuff over here.
No, there's nothing. Okay, so we continue each of us getting turned about and lost in the abyss. What is with darkness? I don't understand. Dude, come on. We have to. Come on. How? Okay. You all can't see any of this, but it's horrible. I wish I had a flash. But y'all can see my nails though. Oh, no, you can't. They're glowing in the dark. Bitch, we get the motherfucker here. Okay, back to lightness. Okay, so that took us 10 minutes. Thank you. And we're done. And we're out. Yes. Oh, that felt good, baby. Yes. Yes. Slowly. Okay, we made it. 10 minutes. We can get a clip later when we're on the highway.
What do you mean a clip? Oh.
Like,
Yeah, I'm about to say, do you have the dock connector thing here? Do you have this pink thing that you usually have? Maybe if that'll help it, because I feel like it's like going through the car and like back out or something. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute.
Go on. But
Oh, who got Gucci?
that's not called. My grandmother though. By the way, my grandmother. Okay. Off the SOJU. Shout out to J Park. 2 Chains.